Plant system. The structure of a typical flowering plant is divided into two main parts: root system and shoot system. Root system, the underground part of the plant or the part that remains in the soil, is called root system. Root system grows underground in the soil. Shoot system. The green part that grows above the ground is called the shoot system. It consists of the stem, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The root. The root is a very important component of the plant system, as without the presence of roots, the plant ceases to exist. The roots perform three major functions essential to the growth and survival of the plant, which are: first, roots are responsible for absorbing minerals and water from the soil and transferring them to the stem. Water and mineral salts reaches the stem and the branches through a stems of thin tubes present in the roots, and the stem. Second, roots is essential to support the upright position of the plants. Third, roots also perform the function of storing important nutrients and food for growth. Fourth, roots binds soil particles together and thus prevent soil erosion. Types of roots: tap root system and fibrous root system. Tap roots. There is one prominent and long root and a bunch of smaller roots that grow from this main root called lateral roots. It is hard to pull out plants with tap roots as these roots go deep within the soil. This root system is seen to exist in plants with leaves displaying reticulate venation. Examples: carrots, turnip, gram, China rose, etc. Fibrous roots. A group of similar sized roots emerge from the base of the plant. They do not have a main root. These plants are relatively easier to pull out as the roots don't go very deep in the soil. This root system is seen to exist in plants with leaves displaying parallel venation. Fibrous roots. Examples: banana, wheat, maize, onion, bamboo, etc. Taproot and the fibrous root. Modification of roots. In some plants, Roots perform other functions too besides the three primary functions. For this, their structure is slightly changed. These changes are known as modifications. The roots are modified to store food. The food made in the green leaves travel downward and is stored in tap roots. We eat radish, carrot, and turnip because there is food stored in them. Plants use this food when conditions are not favorable. Roots are modified to give extra support. The banyan tree has roots that grow down from its branches. As these roots reach the ground, they fix themselves in the soil and give support to the spreading branches of the huge tree. Such roots are called prop roots. Stem. The stem is the part of a plant which is responsible for supplying water to all parts of the plant. It is the stem which bears branches, flowers, leaves, fruits, and buds. Function of stem. The stem keeps the plant upright. The stem bears branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Function of leaf. Leaves are arranged on stem in such a way that they are exposed to plenty of sunlight for photosynthesis. The stem transports water, minerals, and food to all parts of the plant. The stem has nodes from which the leaves arise. The space between the two nodes is called internode. Modifications of stem. Stems are modified to give extra support. The stem of some climbers like grapevine, gourd, and passion flower are very weak, has thin thread-like structures on the stems. These modifications of the stem are known as stem tendrils. As soon as the tendrils touch a rough surface, they coil around it and give support to the weak stem. Example grapevine, passion flower, etc. In some plants, stem grow underground and stores food. Example ginger, potato, etc. Stems are modified to make food. A cactus plant grows in desert where there is little water. To prevent loss of water from the surface of the leaves, these are modified to become spines. It is the green stem in the cactus that performs all the function performed by the leaves. in other plants, including the preparation of food. The stem is fleshy and can store water for long periods. Thank you, dear students, for watching the video. Subscribe to CSA tutorial for more such videos.